GWC B2800 is a fully automatic steel resistance mesh welding machine specially designed for large-size mesh industry users. It is mainly composed of longitudinal bar feeding frame, longitudinal bar feeding mechanism, welding parts, crossbar feeding mechanism, pull mesh part, stacking part, cooling system, pneumatic system, electrical control system, etc. This model greatly increases the welding diameter of the steel bar, from the original 6 to 12 mm upgrade to 6 to 16 mm, fully meet the needs of large-size mesh users. The whole machine adopts cylinder pressure mode, and the welding width can be designed to be 500 mm, 2800 mm. The machine adopts the automatic fall mode of the crossbar, which can reach 50 to 70 rows/min per minute, greatly reduce the labor cost and operation difficulty. Discharging using up and down circulation mesh pulling mechanism, improve the production efficiency. The equipment can achieve fast welding, suitable for construction, railways, highways, airports, industrial plants, real estate and other infrastructure areas of mesh welding needs. Choosing this equipment can not only improve production efficiency, but also ensure the quality of the project, which is an indispensable and important tool for modern building construction.